I love my Honda mower, but I did put off replacing these wheels for a lot longer than I should have, and I recommend that you go ahead and replace yours when they start really falling apart like mine did, the traction goes and all that, and it's no fun. It's a pretty quick, very simple, straightforward replacement. These little gears right here on the back wheels slot into place on these guys. You can see that it gets dirty back in here, so while you get this off, or even beforehand, might even be better, just blow this out, knock this out, get the dirt and dust and grass and clippings and all that junk out of there, so you get a nice clean workspace. Put the washers down in there like that. There should be 2 of them. And then it's just this nut that holds this bolt into place. Tighten it down, ratchet it down, and you are good to go. The front works exactly the same way. They're actually a little bit smaller bolts, and they're held in place a little bit differently. This whole little bolt pulls out in this case instead of just the cap on the end of it, so that's what it looks like. Grab yourself the new wheel, put this sucker back into place, and all you got to do is tighten it down. It really is this simple, and I didn't have any problem with this. Didn't have to put it up on any platform or anything. I've just got my son filming the video for me while I show off my strength at tightening these bolts. Make sure everything's tight, replace the other sides, and you can fire this puppy up. And just like that, there we go. Nothing's fallen off. The wheels are in place. We're good to go. We're about ready. Well, I guess the grass has already been cut in this little video clip, but we're about ready to do the next cut soon. All right, hope that is helpful for you. Go get yourself some replacement wheels if you need them. These are great.